So now let's see how we can hide and unhide rows and columns inside of Google Sheets. So over here, in order to hide, let's say for example, a particular column, you can go around, let's say for example, on the price, and I want to hide it. You can select it out on the top just like this. You can right click, and then what you can do is you can hide the column right over there. You can also select both column at the same time by clicking and dragging, and then you can right click, and then you can hide the column just like this as well. And now the data seems as if it is deleted, but it's actually just hidden. You can see A on the top, but not B, C, D right there. That is because it is hidden, and you see these little arrows. And if I were to click on this, the column gets unhidden just like that. You can do the same with the rows as well. And in order to do that, just select the rows just like this, right click, and then hide the rows. So now you can see the arrow right here, and you can click on it again to expand that out. And that is how you can work around with hiding and unhiding of rows and columns inside of Google Sheets. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.